You got it?
Yeah.
It's a little slippery. Wait a minute. This would be a great place to skip a rock. Dude, it'll never go in. And look at that. Perfect skipping rock right there. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Damn, I gotta do that again! Whoa, dude, I'm tripping. That was amazing. I've never heard that before. Whoa, rocks. There are rocks up here. Oh my god. That was awesome. I need more. Hey! Echoes. Echoes. This is awesome. All right, here we go.
Wow.
Yes, you got to throw one. I don't care how bad you are at skipping rocks. It's like, it's easy to skip. It doesn't break.
There aren't any rocks left. You already took them.
No, they're up here. I'll grab you one. Yeah, there we go. I have to bring your dad out here. Me and your dad are gonna have a heyday here.
You guys are both good at skipping rocks.
Yeah, but you don't even have to be good. Hey, that wasn't bad.
Yours went like all the way across the lake.
Yes.
Oh
yes,
my
we're doing
gosh.
this. All right. Bombs away.